In this video, we're diving straight into how to use bulk send to request signatures at scale. If you've been looking for an easy way to send out multiple signature requests to clients or customers without losing time, you're in the right place. I've tried the most popular software options for this, and today I'll walk you through a quick, efficient way to get signatures fast, at scale, without the hassle. We'll be using a tool that makes bulk sending signature requests a breeze. Whether you're dealing with contracts, forms, or agreements, this feature can be a game changer for your business. You'll see how you can upload a list of recipients, customize your message, and send it all in just a few clicks. The best part? You don't need to do this manually one by one anymore. The software we'll be using streamlines this entire process. To start, simply open up your software and look for the bulk send option in your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see the option to upload your contacts. Most tools will allow you to import from a spreadsheet or CSV file, making it quick and easy to upload all your recipient information at once. From here, you can select the document you want to have signed and set up the workflow for each recipient. You can add a custom message or subject line, which helps make each request feel personalized, even though you're sending it to many people at once. Next, you can define the order of signing. With bulk send, you can either allow recipients to sign in any order, or you can set a sequence, so one person signs before the next. This is crucial if your documents require signatures in a specific order. The software will automatically send reminders to anyone who hasn't signed, keeping everything on track without you having to follow up manually. Once your settings are in place, you can schedule the sending time. Some platforms allow you to set the exact time for the emails to go out, while others will send immediately. It's up to you. After sending, you'll receive real-time updates on who has signed, so you can easily track your progress. What's really powerful about using bulk send to request signatures at scale is that it's a huge time saver, and you can send thousands of requests at once. No more tracking down signatures individually or trying to remember who still needs to sign. Plus, if you're dealing with sensitive contracts or agreements, you'll have audit trails and proof of delivery for every signature request. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that if you want to follow along with this exact software I'm using, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab it if you're ready to streamline your signature process. You'll get full access to all the features I've shown here, so you can bulk send your signature requests with ease. The key takeaway here is that using bulk send to request signatures at scale can save you significant time and effort. By uploading your contacts, customizing your message, and automating reminders, you can handle large volumes of signature requests quickly and efficiently. If you want to start using this software today, don't forget to check the link for your exclusive free trial in the description. To summarize, start by uploading your recipient list in bulk. Customize your message and select the signing order. Automate reminders and track who's signed. Use the exclusive free trial link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.